Cash Giraffe does not publish a guaranteed customer support response time, so there is no official number of minutes or hours you should expect after submitting a ticket. The fastest way to get a useful response is to contact Cash Giraffe through its official support channel and include the information needed to identify the problem. This guide explains what to include, where delays can happen, and what to do if you don't hear back. First, identify the exact issue before contacting support. If your problem is a missing reward, write down the game or offer involved, the action you completed, and what your Cash Giraffe balance currently shows. If the issue involves a withdrawal, include the payout method and the status displayed in the rewards section. Keep screenshots of the relevant screen. A screenshot showing your balance, missing reward, error message, or withdrawal status gives support specific information to investigate instead of requiring several back-and-forth messages. Next, use the support option provided by Cash Giraffe rather than replying to random emails or contacting unofficial accounts. If the app provides a support form or help section, submit your request there and use a clear description of the problem. Avoid sending multiple tickets for exactly the same issue. Multiple submissions can make it harder to determine which request is current. If you already submitted a ticket, keep the confirmation or ticket information so you can refer to the original request. Response times can also depend on the type of problem. A general question may require less investigation than a missing reward or payout issue involving account activity and verification. If you're waiting for support, check your email inbox and spam folder for a reply. Also check the Cash Giraffe app for notifications or updates connected to your account. If your issue involves a missing game reward, don't immediately delete the game or reset the account while the case is being investigated. Keep the relevant information available so you can provide it if support asks for additional details. The key point is that Cash Giraffe does not provide a fixed official response time guarantee. Your best approach is to submit one detailed request, include screenshots and account-specific information, and monitor the same support channel for the response. Before contacting support, gather your account details, screenshots, the exact offer or reward involved, and a short description of what happened. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more Cash Giraffe fixes, payout guides, and troubleshooting updates.